learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Patoka Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Lim Zap Siu Joseph Lin, and I am going to ask Alice one more time. 我又要在空中公開地問 Alice，你等一下有空嗎？ Do you have free time later?
等一下有閒冇？
等一下有閒冇？ Okay, that's do you have some free time a little bit later? Okay, 好，為什麼呢？因為呢，你有沒有2-3個鐘頭？
幹嘛？
看電影啦。Yes, we're gonna go watch a movie. How's that? Okay, let's say you want to ask someone out to a movie. 看電影。
看天樣。
看天樣 OK 看着天覺得好樣對是那種感覺 But that means watch a movie OK Alright 那或許你不想看電影
然後我就跟你說不想
對我們不要每次答案都這麼順嘛對不對有的時候
你要吊你的胃口
Exactly 這是你的把戲哈Maybe Alice's answer is really No I don't want to watch a movie I'm not in the mood for it 我不想 I don't want to
冇想
冇想好像你賣想啊
對你賣不要再想了
冇想 Okay that means no I don't want to But I really just want to go on a date with you Okay 其實好了你不想看電影那我們去約會一下好了這樣子去做別的事情啊去逛逛街啦對不對賞月啦還是吃個東西都可以嘛所以約會 I just want to go on a date with you我們去約會吧你願意跟我約會嗎 How do you say go on a date or 約會
約飛
約飛 Okay that's a date
那海陸腔約會約飛
約飛 Okay with a little R sound in there That's a different dialect for a date Alright let's make a sentence out of the first one 好了就是比較有禮貌性的說想看電影嗎 Okay do you want to go watch a movie
想看天樣冇
想看天樣冇That means Would you like to go watch a movie? All right. Now let's all review these phrases here, okay? 看電影
看天樣
看天樣 Okay, and then I don't want to 不想
冇想
冇想 and then a date 約會
約飛
約飛 and it's all about asking Do you have some free time later? 你等一下有空嗎？
等一下有閒冇？
等一下有閒冇？ All right, 約了 Alice 這麼多次，應該有一次會有空了。我們期待下一次咯。
OK
All right, that is today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太假？
安子誰張來了？
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.